adding Vanilla Visa gift card to Oculus Quest. So let's get started. In this video, you are going to learn how to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Oculus Quest 2. The process is simple. First, go to your Oculus Quest mobile application, and then in the application, you will see different methods. From here, click on the option that says menu in the bottom of the screen. From here, a new screen like this will appear. Click on the option that says continue by allowing permissions. Now scroll down. From here, you will be able to see the option that says wallet. Tap on this option and all the payment methods will appear here. Now I will click on the option that says add a gift card, and now I will add my Visa gift card by entering all the details of my card. For example, my card number, CVV code from the back of the card, my valid date and zip code, then my country and state, and after that I will tap on the option that says add. That's how you will be able to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Oculus Quest 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.